And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 334. Let me show the Magic Eraser tool. It's a great tool if you want to delete a single color. You can see that here with the left click, I can delete these color swatches one by one. And it doesn't matter where I click first. It's gonna find this specific color and then delete the areas that have it. The tolerance is set to determine what counts as a color. So if I go up here, you can see it deletes two swatches at the same time, at least here in the beginning. It's because these colors are very similar. If I make that 75, it actually deletes three colors from the left, two from the right. If I go even higher, let's say 150, you can see almost all color swatches are deleted with just one click. So if we go higher here, this simply adds more colors to that range, which is then deleted with one click. The alias, the anti-alias, this for smoothing, edge transitions, I've shown you that a couple of times already. This is especially important when you have kind of like a circle, more rough edges. In general, it's a good idea to have that checked. This gives you smoother results when you delete something. Contiguous, I've got it checked here. Let me switch there and you can see this has the same color, but I can still only delete it one by one. That's because there is a color in between. But if we uncheck contiguous, I left click on one element and all three are deleted. So that's the magic here. When you have it checked, it finds basically a border for the element that you click on, and it's defined by a color that is not the color that you've clicked on. In this case, black was the color, white separates it, and therefore it finds the border. But when you uncheck it, it doesn't matter what borders there are. It will simply delete all colors that have the one that you clicked on. Finally, we have sample all layers again. So if you want to have more than one layer affected, check this box. Once more, this is a very important tool when you want to delete a single color. You can find it where the eraser tool is. E is the short key. And this is how you can use the Magic Eraser tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.